Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: installed SQL App version 3, X, and a runtime. Next, create or select the database so you have a target to work with. Once done, open the app, sign in, and set a clear project name and default schema. This prevents accidental writes. Make sure to perform a quick backup of existing data before running queries. Now you have a prepared environment and can move straight into crafting your first queries without wasting time on obvious setup. You now build queries. Start with parameterized select statements so you prevent injections and keep inputs safe. When composing, use limit or TOP to preview a sample. This speeds iteration. For joins, explicitly choose inner or left depending on needed rows, and use group by for aggregations while checking index usage to avoid full table scans. Once you run a query, review the execution plan to spot slow operations, then refine filters and add indexes where needed to improve performance. You finish by wrapping queries and transactions for safety. Use begin, then commit when results look right, or rollback if something breaks. Export final datasets to CSV or JSON and verify integrity by spot-checking rows. Once complete, document the schema changes and close connections to free resources. If you hit issues, check the app logs and error codes. Often restarting the app or clearing the cache resolves transient failures. If problems persist, revert the transaction and inspect recent schema.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.